Hi, my name's Gary the Gonk. This is my brother. What about me? What about me? That's it, I'm off. I'm out of here. Where are you going? Wait. Sorry about that. Really, I'm sorry. Bye. Wait, come back. Come back. Hi, I'm Mr. Snowman. And we are about to make another snowman.
What are you lot doing? What have I told you about arguing, eh? Hi, welcome back, and as promised today I'm going to make a snowman out of an old Christmas tree from a couple of years ago. I'm going to use a template from Richard Finlay. Yeah. You can get that. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get a free template. Well, after they keep arguing, let's get on with it, shall we? So this is the template, and we just mark up where we're going to have waste wood. Cool. And I'll just turn this at low speed. There we go. Fabulous. Like I say, you can get this template free off of Richard's website, which I will definitely put the link in below. Just transfer it into my chuck. Okay, let's start trimming this down a bit. So that needs to be full size. This one is 50. Got to come down to 50mm. That one's going to go down to 40mm. This one down to 33mm. So I don't have to be exact, I'm sure, but we work it out as we go along. So I'm just going to trim off some of the end here. So, and then reduce this one down to 50. So, next one is reduce this down to 40. and this one down to 33mm. So this is the hat. So we leave this rim here. So that's where we start from. So now we're going to start getting the shape in and start making it into a wee little snowman. So that's the main body done. So just need to do a nose. I've got a piece of Indian rosewood. I'm going to make a nose out of that. Okay, here it is. That's just marks there. That's where I'm going to put the nose. Like so. Perfect. Right. Put a little bit of glue in there. Like so. Don't need any activator on it. That's it. There it is. There we go. Strange, isn't it? The pattern that's in the tree, but there you go. There's my wee little snowman. So there you go. That's how I make a wee little snowman. I think it's alright. It's out of an old Christmas tree. It's not the best material in the world to use, but seems appropriate to me to use it to make a snowman out of a Christmas tree. So there you go. The family of snowmen. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you in the new year. Bye-bye. Take care now.
Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year.